This is the most important question you will see today. First, we will apply len for both sides. So len y equals sine x plus cosine x multiplied by len x. If you reach the second, like and subscribe. Next, we will make derivative with respect to x. So y dash over y equals sine x plus cosine x over x plus len x cosine x minus sine x. Next, we will multiply y for both sides, so y dash equal y, and we will substitute y x power sine xy, so x power sine x plus cosine x multiplied by all this. Like and subscribe. Bye.